What's
good, YouTube? I said, what's good, YouTube? About to go get that oil change, man. Hope needs some help, man. We done put so many miles on this thing. What you think, Kay?
Scared money don't make no money.
Exactly. Gotta go make that money, though. So y'all stay tuned, man.
Yo. Hey, I'm ready. Let's go.
Get that money, man.
You already know.
Let's get it. Gotta get on I-10 box.
I think y'all forgot something.
Run the intro. Every 15,000 miles, y'all. You pushed it a little bit. I think you right around that, though. Ain't even gonna. I think you right around 15,000 miles. Just drove 2,400 though, so. About that time, y'all.
About 30 minutes?
30 minutes.
Okay. How much is that? Oh, you finna take it in now? Yeah, we're gonna take it in there.
Bet. So as y'all just seen, they get this oil change. What they gonna make you pay in the back?
They ain't got one of the fuel.
It's gonna take about 30 minutes. Hope done got messed up, bruh. We almost broke down on them in mine. Check out the palm trees though, man. Y'all gone ahead. Way too hot. I don't know what the heck we doing in the middle of it. This one thing too, bro. You gotta do so much jaywalking. I don't even want to, y'all, but hey, sometimes you got to. So y'all folks just stay tuned, man. We're gonna ride out. Might have a little recap. Peace. Gotta pay to play. Ain't that right? Yes, sir. You gotta get it right though. Is that 8, son? Oh, we're good to go. Well, it's time to ride then. That's all that mean. Crank that bad boy up. Yeah. Alright, now. And RKM goes on. How you go, bro? That'd be tough to do without this money. We're just trying to like go under and change it ourselves and say it's probably pretty tough to do, man. Yeah. Okay.
So just stay tuned, y'all folks. Big hope, man. This thing looks so dangerous coming in, though. Yeah, they do it, though. We got the loves, man. Y'all need that.
What they do, they put the checker down there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so the differentials, see if it's topped off the wheel.
Gotcha.
Just need that there. So we're not just checking fuel level.
That's some filters change. Let's go see how much it cost. We'll see. Cost $319.
First, I want to give a big shout out to RKM Trucking for releasing the dispatcher information to me for that small fee of $175. Just, you know, I could just say it changed my life. I've been in trucking for about a week and a half, and I've been able to gross out about $6,500 so far. I got 2 trucks out on the road. I do a little bit of Amazon. And I know for a fact if I didn't have that dispatcher information, I wouldn't have been able to gross out that much. So, you know, you're a bit hesitant, you know, skeptical or whatever it is, you better pay that $175 because soon that price gonna go up. And you know, the best part about it is now since, you know, I got all of these things going on, I got the trucks on the road and I'm making this type of money, I get to spend more time with my lady and building my family. So, you know, it's a blessing. So like I said, big shout out to RKM Trucking. And if you're interested about that dispatcher information, go get it now.